So we don't know if this cat is a wild cat or lost cat. I'm not sure if she or he. I will just say she. I have been seeing this cat in this neighborhood about a week. She was healthy. She has been asking food from different people, but after we saw her paws getting worse and we were going to take this cat to the animal shelter, we called them and they said they would take care of her, but they asked us to capture the cat ourselves, and we tried twice. The first time we used a paper box, but it didn't work, and the second time we bought the cat carrier and trying to capture her, but I'm getting this cage to put the cat in. She got out. Look, the cage. She opened the cage and she got out. We're trying to help her. I called the animal shelter people and asked them to help us to capture the cat, but they just don't send anybody, and she got out. Looks like she wants to be a wild animal, but her paws is infected. If we can't capture her, how we take her to the animal shelter? And now I should be glad this cat didn't jump off in the freeway, because from my place to the nearest animal shelter is about like over 20 minutes, and this cat got away like within 10 minutes. If we were driving on the freeway and she would got off the car and jump in the freeway, that's what caused the car accident. That would be worse, right? We're just so worried. If she's healthy, it'll be no problem, but she got an infected paw. So we tried. It looks like the animal shelter people are not willing to help us to capture. So this time we finally captured the cat. We're at the animal shelter now. This animal shelter looks pretty nice. So those cats, they're very happy. This animal shelter is very nice. It's got lots of kitties and they're really cute. But I'm not ready to have a cat. I'm not ready yet. Oh, it's super cute. Maybe in the future when I'm ready. Oh, so cute. There's some more cats. This little cat is sleeping. It's good. They have food. It's better than the street cat. Cute, 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 cute. And they have friends. They have friends here. That's very adorable. That's super cute. I hope that cat we rescued, she will find an owner. Oh, all those cats are sleeping. I think this shelter is really nice. This shelter is very nice. They take really good care of those kitties. They have food and has friends and has a place to live. Very good. Oh, super cute, super cute. The cat sleeping. Sleeping cat. Yeah, I do want a cat, but I'm not ready to have it yet. Kittens here. So many kittens. That shelter looks pretty nice, right? There are a lot of cute cats. And I'm glad they took the cat and they will fix her paws. I'm glad this cat got a place and people will take care of her and fix her paws. And now I miss the cat a little bit because we were used to check the cat if she's there. I hope she's comfortable there.